Hello, I'm Huang Qiuyan and welcome to Kids School's website. There is one important and interesting attraction in our city, and that is the bird flower market. You can have a look. And the bird flower market is an important place and for the local people shopping, and also it is a great place for you to shop a lot of stuffs. For example, minority clothes, jewelry, necklace, and some earrings. So if you have a chance, and please go here to shop. The shops in the market will open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and also the prices here are reasonable, but we suggest that you can bargain with the shopkeepers, so it will be another interesting experience for you.